So today I'll be talking about the power of having a speak-up culture, having environments where employees' voice is welcome, and it's really good for business. You are a founder CEO, and you're flung into this role where this thing is taking a life of its own, and it's growing, and it's bigger than maybe you thought it would be, or it's just going. And now there are people who are walking around, whether it's in the cloud, on Slack and Zoom, or in a physical space. There are now people who you may not know their name, but they know yours. And so I think leaders must be aware of two critical truths. One, your whisper is a shout. And two, the more senior you get in an organization, and if you are that founder CEO, you're the most senior, the further away you are from the truth. When leaders breed environments where people don't feel safe to speak up, which means they're not sharing their ideas, they're not sharing their concerns, or they're not even disagreeing, that's dangerous.